Hi guys! Today we'll talk about these three confusing words. The words are prescription, recipe, and receipt. These words are particularly confusing for Serbian students. U srpskom jeziku postoji reč recept koja se koristi i za recept koji nam prepiše lekar za neki lek, kao i za recept za neko jelo koje spremate. U engleskom postoje dve različite reči za ova dva pojma. In English, the prescription is a piece of paper on which the doctor writes the details about the drugs or the medicine that you need. For example, you can say some medicines are available only on prescription. On the other hand, the word recipe is a set of instructions that tell you how to prepare a certain dish. For example, you can say, "My mom gave me a really good recipe for these cookies." Maybe the most challenging word when it comes to pronunciation is the word receipt. Receipt is a piece of paper that proves that you have paid for certain goods that you have received. For example, you can say, "Make sure that you keep receipts for everything that you buy." If you found this video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!